Do you have to turn up your TV volume every time your furnace turns on because of loud banging or squeaking?
There can be many reasons why your furnace is too noisy.
Some may be the normal sounds that come with an older model, such as humming from the blower, or minor pops from the ducts.
Other sounds may be an indication of a problem with the furnace that will need to be addressed.
A loud pop or bang when the furnace first turns on can be caused from one of two things.
If you have metal ducts in your home, they will contract and expand as the blower from the furnace turns on and off.
If this is happening, it can mean that you have a clogged air filter, closed vents, or undersized ducts.
The noise may also mean that you have dirty furnace burners.
A dirty burner can cause a delay in igniting, so there is an excess buildup of gas before ignition takes place.
The loud bang you hear is the gas explosion when it finally lights.
Regular furnace maintenance will help to prevent any of these issues.
Hearing a loud squealing or whining noise may be an indication that the blower motor is in need of repair or may even need to be replaced.
The noise may also be caused by shaft bearings that need to be oiled or by a slipping blower belt.
Although not as critical, these issues can also be prevented by yearly furnace maintenance.
These are just a few of the noises you may be hearing when you feel your furnace is too noisy.
Some noises are minor and may be easily fixed, such as the loose screws holding up duct work, and some may be a more critical issue that needs professional repair.
By having a regular maintenance schedule for your furnace, you will be able to avoid most loud noises and issues.